Are you looking for a tablet which is perfect for entertainment, binge watching, using for online meetings or online classes, and having multitasking without breaking your back? Well, then Samsung Galaxy's A9 Plus 5G tablet might be the one you are looking for. It's 11-inch wide, it has 128 GB of its storage which can be expandable to 1 TB, and also it has 8 GB of its RAM which can be the best one for your budget segment. So let's unbox it. Okay, so the first thing after opening the box, we get tablet obviously. Then after that we got the type C to type C Samsung's cable without an adapter, some manuals, and the last thing is our SIM ejection tool. So here's my first impression on the design. It's a metal unibody design, and it feels little premium, and it feels like a laptop back only. It's sleek, around 500 grams, so it's not too heavy and it's quite sleek. This one is the dark blue color, and we have also gray and silver color in this model. And if we talk about its ports and buttons, then we have the power button and the volume rockers on the right side. Then we have two speaker grills here, and on the left side we have the micro SD card and the SIM card tray. And we have these three plugs. I guess these are for the keyboard to make it a palm top. And on the downside of it, we have a C-type port, two speaker grills, and we have on the top another two speaker grills of Dolby Atmos. We have 4 speakers in this one. So first of all, let's talk about its display. It got an 11 inches WUXGA Plus LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate, 400 nits of brightness, which is good for outdoor conditions too, and it has 16:10 aspect ratio. And if we see at the bezels, they are not so thin, not so thick, but it's make it both a little premium and a budget segment tablet too. We'll be playing games on it, we'll be using Canva on it, watch videos and test it, how the multitasking works, and does it heats or not, and is it lags or not. Now let's talk about its processor and performance of it. The Tab A9 Plus runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, which is clocked with 2.2 GHz and paired with 8 GB RAM and 128 internal storage, which can be expandable to 1 TB, and we can use a micro SD card too. It's running on Android 15 with One UI 7 on it. So before getting into the testing work, let's get into the AnTuTu scores. And here are the benchmark score, which is 4,17,000, which is very good, quite impressive in this price range and in this tablet. I'm currently using the DeX mode here, which is quite similar to using a laptop, and you can switch it on and off whenever you want. And let's go for the camera check. So here is the front camera of this device, which is of 5 megapixel, which is quite decent and good for online meets and your classes. And let's check out the back. And here is the 8 megapixel rear camera of it. It's a single camera and it's quite decent, and you can see whatever you can see. So let's get back to the gameplay test. I played BGMI on this device for 30 minutes and didn't get it heated up, and it was a good experience. The resolutions were good and the graphic condition was also normal, basic one. Okay, before the final verdict, the connectivity on this device is also good. We have Bluetooth, we have the Wi-Fi, we have Type-C charging, and which can be used as a data cable too. And what else? We have multi-window, split screen, and smart view also in this device. So here's my final verdict for this device. I've streamed videos on it. It was a really good experience. The speakers are really good. And this one is a really good device, and it has an 11-inch widescreen, which is quite big, and I really enjoyed it. It's slim, it's sleek, it's not too heavy. Snapdragon 695 processor is also working really good. Cameras are decent, and this one in this price segment is the best one you can have if your budget is around 16 to 18,000. It has a 7040 mAh battery which supports 15-watt fast charging, which is quite good. It needs 2-3 hours to get charged and can be used up to 5 to 7 hours. So here's my opinion for the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, which is a budget best buy for you in this price segment for someone who wants to buy a tablet around 16 to 17,000 or 18,000. And if you find this video useful and informative, which it is actually, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment down your thoughts and queries in the comment section. I will be there to reply to you. And for more such videos, keep checking on GetAssist. I'll meet you in the next one.